No one is born broken. Life happens and you can accumulate bad emotions which stick on you depending on the circumstance. Abuse, bullying, heartache, betrayal, and more. Such events can manifest emotional baggage which can harm your life, and you have to address them. How to let go of emotional baggage. You need keys, 4 interchangeable links which help maintain self-control. 1. Hope, keeps you believing. 2. Faith, the lighthouse which helps you navigate. 3. Courage, to never give up on yourself. 4. Action, resetting your emotions back to factory default. Resetting doesn't mean running away from your problems. It's the opposite. You cannot harbor bad emotions or they'll continue to harm your life. The past is the past and what you went through shouldn't stick. If it's not good for your life, you will do bad things in the future when you use bad emotions you should have discarded a long time ago. Some people are always angry and you wonder why. You ask yourself, how can a person be angry at 6 a.m. in the morning? Dive deep and you'll find they have an emotion stuck inside bedrock which was never discarded. The emotion meshed with muscle and the body didn't reject it. Learn to reset. If someone or something hurt you in the past, deal with it. Exhale in order to breathe again. Don't harbor bad emotions. Deal with them. Let them go, set them free, and give them back to the world in a new form. Be the opposite and give them back to the world as useful emotions people will benefit from. If it makes you cry, give people happiness. If it makes you angry, give people compassion. If no one listens to you, it's your turn to listen to others. Do the opposite. That's how you reset, because it always works best.